Do you want to start investing with $100 isn't enough? Think again. Most people believe the stock market only for rich, but the truth is anyone can start. In this video, I'm breaking down how to get started step by step without complicated jargon or financial insight. By the end of this video, you will know how to invest your first $100, what to avoid, and how this small step could change your financial future forever. So stay tuned, grab a notebook, and let's get started. So now is the most important and common question is why starting with $100 is powerful. Okay, let me explain. Let's address the elephant in the room. Why bother investing $100? After all, it's small amount, right? Well, let me share a quick story. If you invest $100 in the S&P 500 index fund in 1980, it would now be worth over $10,000 today, without adding a single penny. That's the power of compounding and long-term investing. Starting small is better than not starting at all. When you invest, you're not just saving money, you are putting it to work for you, and trust me, even $100 can lay the foundation for financial freedom. What do you need to start investing? Before we dive into how to invest, let's make sure you have the essentials. Number one, a brokerage account. This is where your invest journey begins. Apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Webull are perfect for beginners. They're user-friendly and allow you to start with small amounts. Number two, a clear goal. Are you investing to grow wealth over time, save in retirement, or maybe build a passive income? Defining on your goals helps you choose the right investment, the right mindset. Investing isn't get rich quick scheme. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, stay consistent, and think long term. A step-by-step guide to investing $100. Choose where to invest your $100. Now let's talk about where you put your $100. You have three simple options. ETFs, exchange trade funds. ETFs like VOD, VOO, or SPY like SPY allow you to own piece of the entire market, including companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Tesla, without buying individual stocks. Think of it as a basket of stocks that give you instant diversification. Fractional shares. Want to own a piece big name of companies? Platforms like Robinhood let you buy a fraction expensive stock like Amazon or Google, so you don't need to thousands of dollars to invest. Demand stock. These are stocks that pay you cash regularly, like Coca-Cola or Johnson. They're perfect if you want to earn passive income ever. Place your first investment. Once I've decided it's time to make your first investment, let's say you're buying an ETFs like VOO, often your brokerage apps, or like ETF, or stock symbol. 3. Enter amount, or you want to invest $100 in the case, and hit buy. Boom, you officially an investor. Step 3. Automate and grow. The secret to building wealth isn't just investing once, it's satisfying staying consistent. Most brokerage apps let you automate your investment. Set a goal for it. For example, you could set up $10 or at $20. We keep growing your portfolio without worrying about timing in the market. Common mistake ever. It's very simple. Let's talk about some common mistakes that can cost you money. Trying to sum the market. Many beginners try to predict when the stock price will go up or down. Don't do it. The best strategy is to stay consistent and invest regularly. Invest with the research. Don't buy a stock just because it's trading. It's trending on social media. Always do homework and understanding the company fund you are investing in. Investing money you can afford to lose. Only invest money you won't need the next 3 to 5 years. The stock market can be volatile in the short or 5. What's happened now that you have invested your $100? What next? What to expect? Short terms, your $100 might not show huge gains immediately. That's okay. Let's term or over time. As you keep investing, your portfolio will grow. Remember, wealth building takes patience. Also, don't forget to invest your earnings. If you get bonus or profit, put them back into the market to maximize. Starting with $100 might not seem like much, but it's about the amount. It's not about building the habit. $100 investing could be start of a journey and changes for financial future. And the key to start now, not tomorrow. Your future self will thank you.